So we're going to look at Final Fantasy VII, the first soldier, and how to transfer your account. So once you download the game and get the game up and running, you create an account. I already created an account again already, so let's start. Like and subscribe, please. It'll help me a lot. So let's see, logging in. You'll have your character name selected and everything. And to transfer it, you click Settings. And then you go to Main Settings. And then you go to Link Game Data. Okay? And then it'll ask you to link it so you can get on multiple accounts or devices. My bad. Sorry, I have braces. It's annoying. So, and then that, you'll just attach it to Facebook if you want, Google, Gmail if you want, and their account. And after you link it to your email or another account, you go to, on your new device, you log into Final Fantasy again. So let's see, let's go back. So on your new device, you click account, okay? When you're on your new device, okay? And then this is how you connect it, okay? Keep in mind on your new device, if you have any accounts attached to that one, you will lose all that stuff. So there. And then I'll help you link the account. And then from the website, I'll just say log into your account. And then that's how you link your account. Okay? So yeah, also, if you guys ever heard of Nexo, this gives you 10% interest on US dollars if you want, and other cryptocurrencies. So if you want to get into cryptocurrencies or anything, I have a referral code in my comments and stuff, in my comments and my link description below. So yeah, you get $25 for $100 if you deposit it. And also, if you had $1,000 in crypto, you'd get $60 in a year or so from interest, okay? You get interest on your interest. So yeah, a link is in referral bonus code in the bottom of the description below. And like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys.